Hi there, welcome to our demo on the ticketing system use case. In this video, I'll guide you through a LogPoint SOAR case, demonstrating how LogPoint SOAR integrates seamlessly with the Zendesk ticketing system, enhancing incident tracking and response efficiency. In this demonstration, we'll use playbooks to create and update tickets in Zendesk with incidents from Microsoft Defender ATP. Zendesk is a popular ticketing system that can also be used to manage and communicate security incidents within organizations. First, let's look at the flow diagram, which displays all the actions involved in integrating LogPoint SOAR with Zendesk. We'll then go through each process. The use case begins with an alert rule. Microsoft Defender ATP, initial access attempt detected. This alert rule triggers whenever Windows Antivirus detects initial access attempts. The trigger name, Microsoft Defender ATP, initial access attempt from the LogPoint source executes the main playbook, MS Defender ATP Zendesk. After this, a case named Microsoft Defender ATP initial access attempt detected is generated. This case automatically retrieves two artifacts, one, username, and two, hostname, from the initial access incidents after the MS Defender ATP Zendesk playbook is executed. Here, Myra is the username and helpdesk is the hostname. The playbook then creates a Zendesk ticket containing the user in host artifact details. The ticket is named as the alert rule name. Microsoft Defender ATP initial access attempt detected, the user, Myra, and the host, helpdesk, with the comment, LP SOAR, Microsoft Defender ATP detected initial access on the computer helpdesk belonging to user Myra. Here, initial access is the attack category. The ticket priority is set to high, indicating that this incident needs immediate attention. Click this link in your Zendesk ticket. This will redirect you to the case timeline in LogPoint, where you can access detailed information about the incident. Next, the main playbook calls the sub-playbook, MS Defender ATP Zendesk check-in watch list, to check if the user Myra is on the blacklist maintained in LogPoint. If the user is on the blacklist, the case severity is increased by 10. Additionally, the user's presence in previous cases is checked. If found in earlier critical cases, the severity is further increased by 10. If the user is not on the blacklist, the playbook only searches for the user's presence in previous cases. If found, the case severity is increased by 10. Now in our demo case for the incident triggered by the user Myra, we can see that Myra is not on the blacklist maintained in LogPoint. Additionally, Myra did not appear in any previous cases. Thus, this is her first incident. Therefore, the severity was not increased in either case. If the user is not in previous cases, a sub-playbook MS Defender ATP Zendesk Get User Info is executed. This playbook retrieves user information from the Active Directory, including user display name, job role, department, and email. These user details are then passed to a sub-playbook MS Defender ATP Zendesk Query for SUSWin events, which looks for suspicious Windows events that user may have carried out. It analyzes logs from the last 24 hours to check for activities such as process command, prompt process hollowing, process execution from suspicious locations, suspicious scheduled task creation, and Windows registry key permission changes. Here in our demo case, there are no suspicious events from the user Myra. Now the user is analyzed for their presence in one or more suspicious activities. If the user is found engaging in any suspicious activities, the case severity is increased by 10, and the Zendesk ticket is updated with all the relevant information. If no suspicious activities are detected, the Zendesk ticket is updated accordingly. In our demo case, the Zendesk ticket is updated with these user details, where there are no suspicious events found from the user Myra. Once the ticket is updated, the SOC analyst will encounter a prompt. Option 1. If you type disable in the prompt, the user is disabled, and the Zendesk ticket is updated to indicate this. Option 2. If you type no or anything other than disable, the user is added to the MS_EPP_ blacklist, and the Zendesk ticket is updated to mark the user as suspicious. The MS_EPP_ blacklist is a dynamic list already created and maintained in Logpoint. In our demo case, if the SOC chose option 1, the user Myra would be disabled in the Active Directory. To verify, we can view the user Myra being disabled in the Active Directory. Similarly, if the SOC chose option 2, the user Myra would be added to the MS_EPP_ blacklist. To verify, we can view the user Myra being blacklisted. For either option, the SOC can now take additional actions based on the information in the updated Zendesk ticket. Whether the user is disabled or blacklisted, the Zendesk ticket is kept in pending status. The main playbook concludes in SOAR, indicating that the case will be in the in-progress status. Here, the pending and in-progress states are for the SOC to investigate further and provide relevant comments in each ticket for documentation purposes. The SOC can change the ticket and case status or reassign it to the relevant authority. This demo use case illustrates how sharing a security incident in a ticket system can help an organization with centralized documentation, visibility and awareness, tracking, and knowledge sharing. That's the demo overview on integrating the Zendesk ticketing system with Logpoint SOAR. We can also integrate other ticketing systems with our Logpoint SOAR. Thanks for watching.